Hello, welcome to Spin Barbecue. Guess what I found in the freezer? A tri-tip. So, we're gonna make some tri-tip today. I'm gonna be doing this really simply. I'm gonna remove a little bit of the hard fat on top, and then I will season this with Weber Chicago steak. It's like Montreal steak seasoning, more or less. And then some Spice Classics, garlic and pepper. It's an SPG. It's gonna be good enough. And I will cook this as a whole piece on the Flowerpot Kamado. I think that's gonna be a good cook. So I'm gonna start off by seeing what we have. There we go, just gonna wipe it off a little bit because it's easier to handle. And then we're gonna move around this. We're gonna get a little piece, a bit of removal on this. It's got a pretty thick fat cap, and I will remove most of that. Actually, I don't really want that on here. There we go. Maybe here. Not gonna remove that silver skin. I'm just gonna destroy this if I try to. Same here. This tri-tip was just over 3 pounds when I started, 1.5 kilos. So it's gonna be more than enough for dinner. And as most of you probably already know, the tri-tip has got fibers going like 2 ways. And if you look at it as a triangle, which is the easiest way to see it, because it's got 3 tips. The fibers are going like this. So when you cut it, you want to cut against the grain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut from the skinny point or the narrow point all the way in here somewhere, and then I'm going to flip it over and cut it that way. But that I will do later because, like I said, I'm going to cook it as a roast. I'm going to bring this up to medium rare. So just season this all over. Might as well take both of them on one side first. Flip it over. Almost out. Wonder if this warrants a trip to the States and get some more, because you can't get Weber seasonings in Sweden. Might be able to get them on Amazon or something like that. Maybe eBay, I don't know. Maybe a nice friend through the YouTube community. And there we go. So this is what we have. Yeah, good enough. I'll bring you over to the grill. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Flowerpot grill. I think I mentioned that. And what I will be using for this is I've got just regular charcoal. I lit it in the middle. I will leave these the vents for this open, and then with this I'm going to be using the pizza stone as a heat retention thing, and it's something that to shield the beef. And then we're going to just put this on here. There we go, something like so. There we go, 1:30, time to rest this. First look. Looking good. The alarm actually went off on time, just as it was supposed to. Okay, let's see what we have. Like I said, grain is going that way and that way, so I will actually start by cutting this right here. And that shows. Turn this around. Medium rare. I'm gonna cut this across. Nice and juicy. gonna give this a taste. There we go. Tastes like tri-tip. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.